Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking all those leftover yarn pieces, yep, the colorful ones, and turning them into a super cozy little coaster. It takes less than an hour, and even if you're a beginner, you can totally follow along and make this cute, colorful coaster with me. I'll show you how to join your leftover yarn together and how to crochet the whole coaster step by step without the magic ring. So let's get into it. First, I want to show you how to join the yarn pieces. I'm going to connect these two parts. So we need them to be straight, like that. I'm going to make a knot with this lighter green. Just a simple knot. Like this. And I want to make another knot with this color. The darker green. Right? Like this. Now you must have two knots here. Now pull these two yarns like that. Pull it as much as you can. And now we're going to cut these two tails. So this is how we join the pieces. So I'm going to connect them together and then I'm going to be here to show you how to make the coaster. Okay, after connecting the pieces, it's time to start crocheting. This is my 3mm hook. And this is the yarn tail. First I want to make one slip knot. As you know, I don't want to use a magic ring for this project. So first, make an X shape on your index finger. And make a knot. This is the loop I want to insert my hook in. Right? Now, hold the knot and pull the long tail, which is the working tail. Now I want to chain 4. To chain, first you need to know how to yarn over. So down, behind, twist, grab the yarn. Like this. This is one chain. You see, I'm holding the chain and the knot with my thumb and middle finger. And I'm holding the working tail with my index finger. Again, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 2 chains. Again, yarn over and pull through. 3 chains, yarn over and pull through. 4 chains. Now I want to insert my hook inside of the very first chain that we made. Right there. You see there are 2 loops of the chain on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. Now I have 2 loops. I want to pull this one through this one. So grab it and pull it through. This was one slip stitch. You must have a gap in here. You see, in the middle of here. There's a circle here. You see that? It's so small, but it exists. You see? Okay. Now I want to start the round 1. First you need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I want to make double crochet inside of this mini circle here. To make the double crochet, first you need to yarn over, insert your hook inside of this circle here in the center, right there. yarn over, pull through the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is one double crochet, and here's the circle. Do you see it? I want to make another double crochet inside of the same place. So yarn over, insert your hook, inside of the circle, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. 2 double crochets, again yarn over, I want to make another double crochet. Now I have 3 double crochet here, just like what you see in here in the pattern. Now after 3 double crochets, I want to chain 2, 1 and 2, and again I want to make 3 double crochets inside of the same circle. 1, 2, and you see the color is changing, and 3, right? Just like the pattern, after 3 double crochets, again you need to chain 2 and make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, after 3 double crochets, again chain 2, and I want to make 2 more double crochets inside of the same circle. Sorry, I must be here. Okay, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. Okay, great. So we have these corners here. Do you see them? We have 4 corners now. It's right here. Yeah. Now I want to slip a stitch inside of the 3rd chain that we made in here. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook inside of the chain. 2 loops of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. This was the end of the round 1. Now I want to start the round 2. So first you need to chain 3 as 1 double crochet. In each corner on every round, we're going to repeat the same pattern. This is the pattern I want to work on the corners. You can see it up there. Yarn over, insert your hook inside of the corner. Again, let me show you. Yarn over, insert your hook inside of the corner, yarn over and pull through, and make 1 double crochet. So we made 3 chains here, then 1 double crochet inside of the corner. I'm going to make another double crochet, so yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. After 2 double crochets, I want to chain 2, and then inside of the corner, I want to make 2 more double crochets. 1 and number 2. You see, this is the pattern of the corner. After crocheting the corner, we need to make 3 double crochets here. So the first one is this one, right after the corner. So insert your hook under the V shape, 1 double crochet. Again, insert your hook under the V shape. Do you see it on my hook? The V shape. 2 double crochets. And this is going to be the last one. Okay, now we have the corner here, the 3 double crochets, just like the pattern. And again, I want to make the corner. So 1 and 2 double crochets, chain 2, and again 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Guess what? again, we're going to make 3 double crochets here. Right after the corner, 1, 2, and 3. After 3 double crochets, again we have the corner here. See that? Two double crochets, chain 2, and again 2 double crochets. And then again we need to make 3 double crochets here. So the very first stitch right after the corner, 1, 2, and 3. Again we have the corner here. Do the pattern which is for the corners, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets inside of the corner. Now right after the corner, in here we have the next stitch. I'm going to make 1 double crochet inside of it, and we have 1 more stitch here, which means I need to make 1 more double crochet. So these are 2 double crochets, and we made 3 chains here, so it's kind of 3 double crochets. To finish this round, I just need to slip a stitch inside of the 3rd chain that we made in here. So 1, 2, 3. Now I want to start round 3. First you need to chain 3, 2, 3. Now I want to make 2 double crochets before the corner. So under the V shape, 1 double crochet, and again 2 double crochets. Now I want to repeat the pattern for the corners. 2 double crochets, chain 2, and again 2 double crochets. Right after the corner, this is the very first stitch. We're going to make 7 double crochets inside of these stitches. So let's make them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. Just like the pattern. Do you see it in here? Now we reach to the corner, so make it. The very first stitch in here, I'm going to make 1 double crochet inside of it. Again, you need 7 double crochets on this side. After 7 double crochets here, again, I want to make the corner. And then right after the corner, the very first stitch, 1 double crochet. You need again 7 double crochets in here. I mean 6 more, right? We have one of them here. Again, we have the corner here. After the last corner on this round, we need 4 double crochets here. So find the very first stitch, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and number 4. Now we need to slip a stitch inside of the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Now I want to start around 4. Again, you need to chain 3. Now you need to make 4 double crochets here. So 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Now crochet the corner. After making the corner here, you need to make 11 double crochets on this side, just like the pattern. Okay, after 11 double crochets in here, you need to make the corner, then again 11 double crochets and the corner, 11 double crochets and the corner. After the last corner, I'm gonna be here. I made the last corner of the round 4. Now we need 6 double crochets here. So start from the very first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. Now I want to finish the round 4. So slip a stitch inside of the third chain. Now I want to start round 5, which is the last round. First you need to chain 3 again. Now you need to make 6 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 double crochets here, you need to make the corner. Then you're gonna need 15 double crochets here, and then the corner, 15 double crochets, corner, 15 double crochets, and corner. I'm gonna be here after the last corner. So after the last corner of round 5, you need to make 8 double crochets here. Now to finish this round, slip a stitch inside of the third chain. Make it tight. We need a long tail. Now you need to connect a sewing needle or a darning needle to this tail. Now I want to take this tail to here. Now I want to tie knot 2 times. Now cut the tails. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to tell me what colors did you use. See you guys.